jungle through the dark, and I never loved one like.
Hey, Mom. I'm at the place. I ordered you a croissant.
Oh, honey, thank you, but I'm already on the road.
Oh.
Yeah, it's such a long drive, and I want to get in early.
No, I get it.
And, I can't leave your dad alone too long.
Yeah, tell Dad I said hi.
I will. Love you.
Me too.
When it comes to family, we're all still children at heart.
Yes.
No matter how old we get, we always need a place to call home. Because without the people you love most, you can't help but feel all alone in the world.